J-Rock, you told me I feel like I'm dreaming. You're not dreaming. You've got a lot. You got to make some room in the house for all this hardware. Describe this emotion right now.
First of all, I want to say alhamdulillah. I'm just so blessed. It's the...
Hey, it's okay. This is your moment. You just told me you've worked for this since you were 4 years old. 12 years.
Alhamdulillah, it's the month of Ramadan. I just want to say Ramadan Mubarak to all the Muslims out there. I worked so hard. Excuse my language, but the whole boxing world shit on me after I lost the Charlo. They told me I was done. They told me I had no chin. But I just got patient. And I just kept making plenty du'as for my career and my family. I don't want to cry.